Devastations overseas. The massive tsunami striking without warning in Indonesia. Just this morning, the death toll climbing to 373 lives lost. 128 people still missing and over 1,400 injured. Rescue crews are working around the clock. ABC's Ian Pinelli has the latest.
This morning, desperate search and rescue efforts continue on the destroyed coast of Sunda Strait as fears grow of yet another tsunami. The military and volunteers racing against the clock to find survivors, digging through the endless piles of debris for anyone trapped underneath. The grim sight of body bags now becoming all too common. A popular Indonesian band were performing on the beach when the tsunami suddenly crashed through the stage, taking band members and the crowd in its path and many of their lives. The tsunami destroying hundreds of buildings, hotels and homes after coming to shore. Cars and trucks thrown into buildings and on top of each other. And now its aftermath showing the devastation it left behind.
These rooms where people were staying just completely destroyed. You can see the beds there, ruined. The
National Disaster Management Agency confirming this morning that Indonesia's early warning system isn't set up to monitor landslides and shockingly hasn't been working since 2012, meaning people had no time to escape. More than 280 killed, over 1,000 injured, and those numbers continuing to rise as rescue workers try to get into areas that haven't been reached yet. With hospitals either wrecked by the tsunami or too far to transport, doctors are flooding the areas to treat who they can, and families outside clinics and hospitals hoping to reunite with their loved ones. Nearly 12,000 people have now been displaced. The tsunami triggered by an underwater landslide after a volcano erupted. The so-called Child of Krakatoa has been erupting since June, and it's situated in the ocean between Indonesia's two most crowded islands. The area is lined with beautiful beaches, a popular destination with tourists and expats, especially during the holidays.